Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cheese Vada Pav at home. First, gather all your fresh ingredients. You will need about 4 medium-sized potatoes, 1 cup of graham flour, and 8 slices of your favorite cheese. Don't forget the pav buns, your preferred chutneys, and enough cooking oil for frying. This simple guide will help you create a delightful and satisfying snack for any occasion. Now let's craft the vada. Boil and mash about 4 medium potatoes until smooth. In a pan, temper mustard seeds, curry leaves, and a pinch of asafoetida. Add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 2 finely chopped green chilies. Mix this into the mashed potatoes with a half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Form 8 small, round patties, then dip each one into a smooth graham flour batter. It's time to fry our vadas. Heat about 3 cups of cooking oil in a deep pan to a medium-high temperature, around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop the battered potato patties into the hot oil. Fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes, turning occasionally until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Once fried, slice your pav buns horizontally, leaving one side attached, and spread your favorite chutneys inside. For the grand finale, let's assemble your cheese Vada Pav. Take a freshly fried vada and place it snugly inside the chutney-lined pav bun. Immediately top the hot vada with 1 slice of cheese, allowing its warmth to melt the cheese slightly. For an extra kick, you can sprinkle a pinch of dry garlic chutney. Serve your delightful homemade cheese Vada Pav warm and enjoy this popular street food.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.